Yes, good evening all. Good evening children.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening guys. Are you here?
Yes, sir.
Children, are you here?
Yes,
I think Adesha from your side there is a noise cracking something. Okay, so we were discussing previous year questions yesterday, and we were discussing these questions. I gave a couple of questions to you. So we'll go with few more questions. Everyone solve the 17th question. Everyone solve the 17th question. Quick, guys. We have to keep as many questions as possible. Quick, make it fast. 17th question. Guys, what happened? What is the answer? Quick, 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 quick. I'll just paste it out here. Next question. These all questions are previous year JEE questions. I mean, 2020 question you could see there. Yeah, make it fast. Let me drag it down. Let's keep it aside. No problem. Have you done at least? Have you approached towards the concept? I don't find I know anyone is responding, guys. You can't take this much of time to solve solving these questions. Make it fast. My goodness, sorry children, I was on mute. Can you please talk and let me know, beta? See, I was in mute, I couldn't find that I was talking. Everyone was texting, but I couldn't check the message. I'm sorry. See, if at all I'm in mute, beta, please do let me know by talking. Please voice over on that. Next question, no problem. Hope you understood that. See here, next question, 21st question, everyone solve this. The product of everyone solve this. The product of the roots of this equation. Very, very simple question. 2020, this has been asked in 2020. This has been asked in 2020. Quick, make it fast. Make it fast. The product of the roots. The time of guys, very simple. Look at this here. So let me take here. How can I solve this question? Let here modulus of x. Let me take it as y. Okay. Or you write it modulus of you write simple, no problem. Let me take x in terms of y. So 9y square minus 18y plus 5 is equal to 0. What I did here, modulus of x is equal to y8. No problem. Writing in terms of y. 9y square, 15y. Okay, 9 5. So 15 3s, right? Factorizing this. So 9 3y common beta. 3y minus 5 minus 1 common. 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. मुझे y का वैल्यू क्या मिलेगा? y is equal to 1/3 और y value is 5/3. Correct? Yes. Y value 5/3. But y value was modulus of x, right? Modulus of x is equal to y. So modulus of x can be written as 1/3 or 5/3. So now, okay, this can be x can be what beta now? X can be plus or minus 1/3 and plus or minus 5/3 modulus. So product is what beta? Product is going to be what? We need product, right? 5/9. 5/9. 5/9 कहाँ से होता है? 5/9 no. Oh my goodness. 5/9 and yes. 5/9, 5/9. Yes, guys, look at it. Be careful. देखो बच्चों ने क्या करता है, many of you make a mistake here. 5/9 नहीं होता है आंसर. देखो मैंने आंसर थोड़ा देखो कितना like how he has like twisted here. 5/9 से गलत है आंसर. 25/81 is the answer. How? Beta, look at it here. X can be written as 1/3, or you can write this as x is equal to minus 1/3. Okay, and x can be written as 5/3 and x can be written as 5/3. प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है इधर? 5/9. जिसका प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है? 5/9. दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है? 25/81. This is answer. This is answer. Product he is asking. So this is how we just go with this. Product of the roots of this equation. And next question, hope you clear with this. Simple question. Product is nothing but multiplying all the roots which has been given to you. Mohammed Jafar Sadiq. Mohammed Jafar, are you listening to the class? जाफर जी, क्लास सुन रहे हो आप? Jafar, you're listening the class or not? You have turned on your camera and looking somewhere. I don't think you are listening the class. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि तू क्लास सुन रहा है. मैंने जो भी बोलता हूँ आपको समझ में आता है कि नहीं? Guys, what I'm telling you, see, Mohammed, do you understand what I'm speaking? I'm asking you whether you are listening the class or not. If you do not listen, see here, those who are not interested to listen the class, to not respond in the class, you may leave. I'm absolutely fine with that. You may leave the class if you're not responding in the class. If you do not want to respond in the class, you may leave. Absolutely nothing. I'm completely fine with that. Yes, someone of you left that. Who is that fellow? Ram Charan is there. Prashant is there. I think someone has left. Who's that? Yes, no problem. Guys, this is also a simple question. Alpha and beta are the roots of this one. Then the value of this is equal to dash. Then the value of this equal to dash. Quick. Very simple question. Let's say who is going to solve within 45 seconds. 45 seconds to 55 seconds. This much time I can give you. Let's see. Very simple question. Quick. Dhairya ji, I'm expecting this answer within 45 to 50 seconds. Hope you all are listening the class. Hope you can hear my voice clearly. Hope you all can hear my voice clearly. Getting my voice? Are you all hearing my voice or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer. Guys, this is not basic session. This is question solving session. So we will not be going from the scratch. Everything we'll be writing somewhat fast. We'll be focusing on solving as many questions as possible. Keep that in mind. So don't think that I'm not going from the basic. It is not the time to go from the basic beta. It is the time to solve and go with a somewhat full speed. Solving, focusing on as many questions as possible. So that is what I'm doing here. Time up. So let me solve the answer. Option D is correct here. How? D. Check kar lo. Look at this here. From this, what is alpha, beta, or alpha plus beta? You write. Sum of the roots is what, beta? 3 by 7. Correct. Product of the roots is what, beta? Minus 2 by 7. Look at this. We need this one. Just simplify this. Simplify this. Alpha into 1 minus beta square. Okay. Plus beta into 1 minus alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha square into 1 minus beta square. देखो इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो बेटा. देखो 10th वाले बच्चों कर लेंगे. 10th standard students will solve. My 10th standard student definitely will solve that. 100% I challenge on this. Alpha minus alpha beta square plus beta minus alpha square beta divided by multiply this. What you're going to get here. So 1 minus beta square minus alpha square plus alpha beta whole square. Check kar lo. Next alpha minus alpha beta common. Alpha beta common to alpha plus beta divided by yes, 1 minus alpha plus beta whole square plus alpha beta whole square. Correct. So beta, this is what I get here now. So if I expand this, what I'm going to get now? Yes. Yes. Now substitute everything, you will get the answer. That's it. Is that it? Substitute everything, you will get the answer. 3 by 7. 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7, right? So alpha plus beta into alpha beta plus alpha plus beta divided by 1 plus 1 minus alpha plus beta whole square plus alpha beta whole square. Okay. So this is what we can write this as. Alpha plus beta is what? 3 by 7. 3 by 7 minus alpha beta is what? Minus 2 by 7. So minus into minus plus. So 2 by 7 into 3 by 7 beta. Okay. 1 divided by minus 3 by 7 whole square plus uh, minus 2 by 7 whole square. Simplify this. 3 by 7 plus 6 by 49. 6 by 49 divided by 1 minus 9 by 49 uh, plus 4 by 49. So LCM is 14 in the numerator. So 21, 7 threes, 6 divided by 49 minus 9 plus 4 divided by 49. This will get cancelled. So 27 by कितना मिला मुझे? 3 minus 9. ऐसा कुछ 27 by something I'm getting. 27 by 32. 32 तो नहीं possible है. Somewhere we made a mistake in the denominator. Denominator में क्या गलती कर दिया देखो. Oh my goodness. We made a mistake here. What is that mistake? Realize कर लो, realize कर लो. Look at this here. Make it was here alpha square plus beta square. But I wrote this. इधर गलती कर दिया हमने. Check कर लो. What I wrote here, alpha. If I take minus common beta, this becomes alpha square plus beta square. Now if I write this, denominator पूरा change हो जाएगा. कहाँ change हो गया देखो. Denominator. Look at this. 1 minus alpha square plus beta square is what beta? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta. Correct? Plus alpha beta whole square. Hope it is clear now. Hope it is clear. Now ये क्या होगा? ये क्या होगा? देखो डिनोमिनेटर पूरा मैं चेंज करके लिख दूंगा. चेंज करके लिख दूंगा थोड़ा. Please, I'm not getting a response from anyone. See, if I make any mistake, but a small mistake, you just let me know immediately. Okay. So minus 3 by 7 whole square here. Minus 2 times of minus 2 by 7 into plus minus 2 by 7 whole square. So check कर लो. 1 plus 1 minus 9 by 49 plus 4 by 7 plus 4 by 49. Correct? Isn't it? So 1 minus LCM is what here? 49. So 9 plus 7 4 28 plus 4 by 49. तो अगेन क्या होगा? थोड़ा इसको मत कैंसिल करना भी. 27 by 49 divided by 49 is LCM. So 49 minus 29 28 plus 9 37. So 38. So 37 plus 4 by 49. So 53 minus 27 how much? 16. Yes, this will get cancelled. 27 by 53 minus, yes, 16. This is answer. 27 by 16 is the answer. 27 by 16 is the answer. Option D is correct beta. Option D मैंने पहले ही बताया दिया था आपको. That is what the answer given in the key. Okay, 27 by 16. Hope it is clear. Any doubts? Any doubts? Children, कोई doubt?
No, sir.
Very simple beta. Very simple. Make the calculations easy. That's it. Very good, Adesha. Option D is correct. Next 23rd question. What is this question? Alpha and beta are the two roots of this equation. Then the value of this. That how simple questions has been given in the JEE mains. देखो, I'm telling again and again, quadratic equations question would be as innocent as possible. All you need to do here is just be patient. Calculation में थोड़ा patience से solve करना पड़ेगा बस. Everything is going to be fine. Again 45 seconds में solve करो इसको. 45 seconds में quick. Time up, time up, time up. Okay, let's get started. What is the answer you got? Adesha, Prashant, Mohammed. What is the answer? Did you find the answer? Hello? Yes or no? Adesha, have you done?
No, sir.
Alpha plus, sorry? Alpha plus beta is 64. Alpha beta is 256. Product of the roots. So alpha to the power of 3 by 8 divided by beta to the power of 5 by 8. Can I write like this?
Sir, 1.
Option, yeah,
1.
2 is the right answer. So beta to the power of 3 by 8 divided by alpha to the power of 5 by 8. So taking LCM, alpha beta to the power of 5 by 8. So how much you get? Alpha plus beta, in fact, the power of 64 divided by 256 to the power of 5 by 8. 5 by 8, correct? 256 can be written as what, beta? 2 to the power of 8, right? Yes. So this will get cancelled. So answer is 2. 64 by 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 32 2s. 64. Option A is correct. Next question. Check कर लो बेटा. मैंने notes share करूंगा. I'll be sharing the notes. If you not even copying, I'm giving enough time to solve the question. If you are not at all copying, that is fine. But you have to solve. हमने main motto of this session, main motto of taking everyday classes is to cover as many questions as possible. Try to understand it. चलो next question. Alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, then beta is equal to dash. Quick. Option 2. Very good, Alisha. Right answer. Option 2 is correct. How to look at it, what he has given here, beta? Alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, right? So alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, but alpha and beta would satisfy to that particular equation. Of course, ki like definite baat hai. So look at this here. 2 alpha into 2 alpha plus 1 is equal to 1. Can I write like this? Can I write like this or not? So alpha into 2 alpha plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2, correct? Okay. So if you just simplify this, what do you get? 4x square plus 2x plus is equal to 1. So minus 1 is equal to 0, correct? So what is alpha? Sum of the roots here? Minus b by a. Minus b by a is nothing but minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 2. Correct? So alpha plus beta. This is what, beta? Alpha plus beta, right? Yes. Now my here Now, if you observe this properly, look at this here. This one is equal to 1 by 2. This one is equal to minus 1 by 2. So now, can I write this as alpha plus 1, alpha plus beta as it is, minus as it is. 1 by 2 can be written as what, beta? This 1 by 2, I'm writing it as what? Alpha into 2 alpha plus 1. Correct? Easily you can write like that. So, alpha plus beta is equal to minus. Okay, no problem. Let's write beta value directly. Beta value is what? Beta is equal to minus alpha. So minus of alpha 2 alpha plus 1 minus alpha. So uh, minus what do you get here? Alpha 2 alpha plus 1 minus alpha. Correct? So minus 2 alpha square minus alpha minus alpha. Minus alpha is minus 2 alpha square minus 2 alpha. Minus 2 common, 2 alpha common, so alpha plus 1. This is what the answer. Minus 2 alpha, option D is correct. Yes. Any doubts, children? कोई doubt यहाँ पे? Any doubts? I just solved very detailedly. I solved very detailedly, beta. Very simple question है. So then beta is equal to what he is asking. Then beta is equal to what? I just found out beta value substitute. I mean, I just found out the beta value very simple. Next question. I think next question I have to take. ओहो ये मैट्रिक्स क्वेश्चन कहाँ से आ गया 20 which question is this 25 right let's see how many of you will solve this question very beautiful question wonderful question fantabulous question spectacular question amazing question let's see how many of you do this chalo make it fast question number 26 ऐसा कुछ करके है yeah if you know the complex number what are the roots of this roots is what beta x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 from the complex number we learned that omega square and omega are the roots of that if you solve also you will get the answer same only getting my point roots are what omega and omega square this is the hint I can give you simple tell me the answer so alpha is equal to omega that's it khatam alpha is equal to omega guys we solved matrix recently you have to make this quick Prashant are you getting the concept Prashant are you getting the concept or not
yes sir
ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగాలి ఊరికే కూర్చోడం కాదు
చేస్తున్నా సార్
రైట్ గుడ్ కమ్ ఆన్ మేక్ ఇట్ ఫాస్ట్ I think 25 question not 26 not 26 25 50 question time up look at this here beta here roots of this particular equation is going to be omega and omega square we learned in the complex number what is omega value what is omega square value if you factorize this by using quadratic formula also you will get x value something minus of minus square root of You will get omega and omega square value. You know what is omega and omega square value? Can anyone of you tell me what is omega and omega square value? Are you here? I'm asking you people only. Can anyone of you tell me what is omega and omega square value? Let's see who is going to tell me the answer. Omega and omega square value. Check. Who is that clever student? Who is that, ओमेगा क्लेवर यार क्लेवर क्या है इसमें वेरी सिंपल की बात है इफ यू रिमेंबर कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर बेटा कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर में यू might have learned am I correct or not have you learned or not tell me एक बार बताओ मुझे have you learned or not hello children have you or not no one is responding Adesha do you remember Adesha ji Prashant ji do you remember what is omega value omega square value if you know that even without knowing omega value also you can find out this you see it matrix so bit take a bit calculation you might think but it's a very simple question last 10 seconds time up see beta look at this here this roots gives me this equation gives me what omega and omega square value right so omega value if you factorize that minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac if you apply that formula beta omega value is going to be minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square 4 square root of minus 3 by 2 so this can be written as I root 3 correct this can be written as I root 3 this is how we just find out in from the complex number this is what the concept from the cube root of unity but here we need not to just find that basically it just we need not to find out I mean need not to know what exactly omega and omega square but by the way like we are learning here so I just wanted to discuss that what is omega and what is omega square so it's fine so omega value if I tell you omega beta omega is going to be here minus keep it is minus here omega minus omega square is going to be what minus 1 plus square root of 3I divided by 2 this is omega square this is omega okay now हमारा concept क्या है यहाँ पे देखो a square so here x is a root of this particular thing so a matrix is going to be what now a matrix is going to be what a matrix is going to be beta 1 by 3 times of I think I mean a value 1 by root 3 here, right? So 1 omega square 1 omega square omega to the power of 4. Guys, omega to the power of 4 is what? Omega cube into omega, correct? Omega cube value is what? 1 into omega. So omega to the power of 4 is what beta? Omega. Okay. Now look at this here. We need what? We need a to the power of 31. We need a to the power of 31. I need. So a to the power of 31 is nothing but beta देखो a square करेंगे पहले. A square करेंगे तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा 1 by 3 into. Let me copy this matrix. One second. This matrix into this matrix. Correct? A square is equal to what? This matrix into a into a. So 1 by 3 multiply this 1 into what We know that beta 1 plus omega square is equal to what? 0. Correct? 1 plus omega, we know this. We know this. So multiply this into this. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1, 3 here. So 1 plus omega square. So omega 4, let me write directly. Omega to the power of 4 is what? Omega to the power of 4 is equal to omega. Let me write omega to the power of 4 is omega directly. Omega. So it becomes easy for us. So 1 plus omega square plus omega again. So again here 1 plus omega square plus omega plus omega square. Let me write neatly. 1 plus matrix multiplication. Here 1 plus omega square plus omega again. Here here what you get, Babu? 1 plus omega cube plus omega cube. Okay. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus omega square plus omega. Here 1 plus omega cube plus omega cube. 1 plus omega square omega square. Omega to the power of 4 plus omega square. Omega to the power of 4 is what? Omega to the power of 4 is what? Still omega. So I can replace with omega. Now 1 by 3. My goodness, my goodness. Look at this here. Here this 3 becomes what? This 3 becomes what? 3 by 3 is 1. Correct? 1. Here this becomes what? This fully 0. This fully 0 as per the result, standard result. This 0, 0. Here this becomes what, beta? 1 plus 1 plus 1. Omega cube is equal to 1 or not? Omega cube is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 3. So 3 by 3 is 1. Multiplying with outside 1 by 3. This becomes 0. This becomes again, look at this here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 3. This 3 will get cancelled. You're left with what? 1. So 0 here. Correct? How many of you understood this matrix multiplication? And I didn't do anything. See here. I repeat again. If you know two results, what are they? If you know two results, 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. We know this. And omega cube value is equal to 1. So from the omega cube value 1, I just wrote all this. Omega to the power of 4 can be written as omega cube into omega. Omega cube is value 1, so omega. Omega to the power of 4 is omega, like that. Substituted, I got a square value like this. A square value is what? What is a to the power of 4? 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 a square into a square, right? 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Correct? Multiply this. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. A to the power of 4 I got. A to the power of 4 can be written as what, beta? This identity matrix I got. But we need a to the power of 31, I think. We need a to the power of 31 or 31 I need. Okay. A to the power of 31 I need. So a to the power of 30 into a, can I write? Yes. So a to the power of 30 can be written as what, beta? A to the power of 28 into, or else we'll write one thing, beta. A to the power of 28 into a square into a. Correct? A to the power of 28 can be written as a to the power of 4 to the power of 7 into a cube. Okay? Simple. Simple. A to the power of 4 I got I. I to the power of 7 is what? I only. I to the power of 7 is I only. I into a cube is what? Still a cube. Okay. So a to the power of 31 is equal to a cube I got. A cube I got. Option a cube. A cube answer. D is correct. So this is how we need to solve. थोड़ा patience रखिए बस आपसे मिल जाएगा आराम से. Correct? Correct. थोड़ा matrix multiplication, guys. See, for your understanding purpose, I wrote everything neatly. Otherwise, look at this. I need not write all this again and again. Straight away, I would have written the values of that particular result. Getting my point? Omega to the power of 4 here, omega to the power of 4 again, omega here. Okay. So that is how I just wrote beta. Hope it is clear with everyone. And option 4 is correct. And please, I'll give you the homework now. I'll give you the homework. Just a minute. Let me share the screen. I'm stopping it. Yeah. Homework क्या है आपका? देखो. 27 question. 27, 27, 28, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, 36 तक. 36 till 36. Till 36 you solve it. 27 to 36. 27 to 36 is the homework. Okay. 27 to 36 is the homework. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Please do revise and come to the class. Please do revise the notes and come to the class, children. Without revision, don't come, please. Thank you.